Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin. Today we're talking about the current state of Bitcoin's price action and what it says about its whales. So, Bitcoin has been stuck in a tight range between $83,000 and $86,000 over the past 5 days. This is interesting because it shows signs of indecision on both the price chart and momentum indicators. Now, you might be thinking, that's not unusual. But what's worth paying attention to here is that even though the number of whales, or wallets holding between 1,000 and 10,000 BTC, has started to decline slightly, our on-chain data still shows elevated interest from these large holders. In fact, the number of Bitcoin whales just dropped from 2015 on April 14 to 2010 by April 16. This pullback comes after the metric hit its highest level since May 2024, which is a big deal because it suggests a potential shift in sentiment among these large holders. Now, whale activity is super important because these large holders can really influence market liquidity and price direction. When you see an increase in whale wallets, it often means that these holders are accumulating. They're feeling confident about the future of Bitcoin. But when we see a decline, it could be a sign that some whales are trimming their exposure as market uncertainty rises. The Ichimoku cloud chart for Bitcoin is showing us that the price is currently trading near the flat Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen lines, which suggests a lack of short-term momentum. The cloud itself is bullish, with the Senkou span A above the Senkou span B, but it's really narrow. This tells us that there's weak bullish momentum for now. The Chikou span, or lagging line, is overlapping with recent candles, reinforcing this sideways movement. Overall, Bitcoin feels like it's hovering in a neutral to slightly bullish zone, but it needs a stronger push to confirm a clear trend direction. Let's take a look at the EMA lines. They're currently flat, indicating a weak and uncertain trend. The price action is showing hesitation, with bulls and bears lacking conviction. If the support level at $83,583 is tested and fails to hold, we could see a sharper correction targeting $81,177. On the flip side, if bulls manage to regain control, Bitcoin could shift toward recovery. The first key resistance lies at $86,092. Breaking this level would suggest renewed upward momentum. If we break above that, we'd be looking at targets like $88,804 and potentially even $92,817. So, what does all of this mean? It means that the price is in a bit of a holding pattern right now, waiting for something to push it out of this range. We're still seeing some interest from whales, but their behavior could be an indicator of broader market trends. That's it for today's analysis. Thanks for watching Bitcoin Bulletin.